Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be walking you through the simple steps to download and set up WhatsApp on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Let's get started. Firstly, locate and open the Microsoft Store on your computer. If you can't find it on your home screen, simply type Store into the search box, and the Microsoft Store should appear. Once it's open, scroll down to find the WhatsApp application. If it's not visible, you can use the search function within the store to type in WhatsApp and click on the app. Once you've found WhatsApp, click on the Install button to initiate the download and installation process. Be patient while the Microsoft Store downloads and installs WhatsApp on your computer. Once it's done, click on Open to launch WhatsApp. If you don't see the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or taskbar, don't worry. You can easily access it by going to the Start menu, locating WhatsApp, right-clicking on it, and then clicking on Pin to Taskbar. Now, to connect your WhatsApp account to the desktop app, click on Get Started within WhatsApp. Grab your phone, open the WhatsApp mobile app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, select Link Devices, then link a device. Unlock your phone and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Voila! Your WhatsApp account is now synced with the desktop app, and you can start using it on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.